Story time. Maikwento lang sa inyo yung na-experience ko nung nag-apply ako ng trabaho dito versus sa ibang bansa.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi po, are you hiring, sir?
Oh, yes, I'm actually looking for a cook. Can you guys cook?
He can cook.
Oh, great, you're hired. What's your name? Boy.
John.
Okay, John, see you tomorrow at 3 p.m., alright?
Thank you, sir. Sir,
What?
do I need to pass this to you?
No, you're hired. See you tomorrow at 3 p.m. and bring your IDs, you understand? Okay. Have a nice day, John. Have a nice day.
The next day,
Your salary will start at 8 per hour. Food's on the house, drinks on the house. And let's see where it goes.
and then,
Tapos yung sweldo ko from 8, naging 12, naging 15. Wow!
You're a good man, John. Do come back here after you're done with school, alright?
Tapos, syempre naman, ang buhay parang life. Hindi na ako nakabalik. Kaya nakapag-apply at trabaho din ako din bago ako maging professional tambay.
I have a question for God. Why?
in the Pilipinas,
Tao po. Tao po.
Ay, ano po bang order ni boss?
Mag-apply po sana ng trabaho.
Mag-a-apply boss. Ilagay nyo lang din at tatawagan ka lang namin. Sige boss.
1 week later,
Ay boss, wait lang muna ha.
15 minutes later, 30 minutes later, 45 minutes later, lagpas isang oras later,
Ay boss, ikaw na daw sunod. Okay, good luck.
May dala ka bang sandamukal na requirements?
Meron po akong dala. Ito po.
Sige, upo ka na dyan. Malaki butas ng ilong? Check. Maputi pero puro peklat? Check. Madaming tigyawat? Check. Bungi. May bungi ka ba?
Parang nilalait na ako nito. Yes po, meron po. May dalawa po ako din na bunot na po.
Ilang taon ka na nga ulit?
20 po.
So, 20 years old, pero walang 30 years of experience. Naku po! Willing to work ka naman ba?
Abay malamang, kaya nga ako naghahanap ng trabaho Ay, opo, yes po.
O sige, Lem, tawagan ka na lang namin for the second interview.
and then,
Nung natanggap na ako,
Okay, bale ganito ang lakaran natin. 1 week training, no sahod. 350 yung starting, walang foods at walang drinks. Tapos yung sweldo mo, depende sa performance.
after 3 months of working dun sa lugar na yon, hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Na-promote ba ako or na-demote kasi naging basurero boy, delivery man, tagabili ng ulam ni boss, naging cashier, naging barista, naging babysitter. Pero syempre, since dumami yung mga gawain ko, lumaki yung sweldo ko. From 350, which is below minimum, naging 370. Below minimum pa rin. Alright, maraming salamat kay Sir Dory Animation sa pagpayag sa collab. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Check nyo yung channel niya. And shoutout na rin sa mga nag-comment last video. Thank you very much. And that's about it. Subscribe.
Lamig boy!